I am going to show you guys how to achieve this look. Love this look. Stay tuned so I can show you how. So I start this way. I've already used my airbrush legs on the inside and on the front. I've taken now, I'm going to take my ghost bond and put some glue on. Wait until it gets less white, clear. Alright, you guys. So we are going to go ahead and flip the lace. It doesn't look like it's a lot of lace, but that's the process. I am going to flip the lace, lay it on top of mostly everything that has dried. I see that little piece right here, but it's okay. We're not going to fret. It's alright. I'm getting ready to go ahead and do that. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it on camera or not, but flip the lace. Alright, so I flip my lace. This is what it looks like because it came with baby hairs attached. And now I'm getting ready to just go ahead and lay it down. I'm just about to that piece like that. Take this. Go ahead and lay it down. And that's how I do that. I'll pretty much let this sit for about, let this sit for maybe about 10-15 minutes. If I really want it to be laid, 20. Alright, y'all. So, I've been in the shower. I've changed. So now I just want to go ahead and check on it. And I already pre-plucked it and it already came plucked. I just kind of like laid down my edges. Still got fallout in it. Make sure y'all get the fallout. Look at that. I'm heavy on the baby hairs. We like a good baby hair moment, right? So, pull her out. I just snapped her. Whatever, it came from the dollar store. So, whatever.